Do you speak English?
Ankita turns on her computer and opens her email. She has a new message. She smiles. It is from Smith, a man Ankita met on an online chatting. She really hopes to find a new love, and Smith could be the right man for her. Ankita reads the email. Smith asks Ankita if she would like to meet in person on weekend. He tells her his full name is Michael Smith. Ankita considers meeting Michael Smith. She only chats with Smith on the computer, but she really likes him. He is smart and funny. They are the same age, share many interests, and live in the same city. She does not know what he looks like, but she enjoys the mystery of a blind love. Ankita replies to Smith, "Hi Smith, my full name is Ankita Arora." They agree to meet at Smith's favorite restaurant at 6:30 p.m. on coming weekend. They plan to meet beside the coffee corner of the restaurant. She feels nervous and excited. When Ankita arrives at the restaurant, she sees a tall man near the coffee corner. "I'm so surprised. Are you Smith? Do you remember me? Are you Ankita? Do you remember we dated in high school? I cannot believe it is you." "Yes, I remember our first chatting in high school. Sometimes miracle happens to find an old love."